Welcome to the channel Knowledge is Wisdom. This is Salman Zulfikar. We will discuss types of the banks. Before discussing types of the banks, let's discuss that what is the bank. Bank is an institution which generates loans. Loans. How it generates loan? Let's take an example. This is an institution. This is the bank. It takes deposits and it gives loan. For example, Mr. A comes to the bank and he deposits his 1 million with the bank, and bank will offer 10% interest to Mr. A. Then after him Mr. B comes to the bank and he needs 1 million loan. Bank will give this 1 million to Mr. B at 12% interest rate. So it offers 10% to Mr. A and it will take 12% from Mr. B. So the difference of 2% is the profit of the bank. This is the profit of the bank. So this is how it generates loan. This is the definition of the bank. This is the working style of the bank, which we have discussed through this example. Now let's discuss that what are the types of the banks. There are main 5 types: agricultural, industrial, investment, commercial, and the construction banks. Let's discuss one by one. Let's start with the agricultural. Agricultural banks are the banks which promotes the agricultural sector of any country. Mostly government develops these type of the banks to promote the agriculture sector of the country. Let's take an example. The ZTBL, Zari Taraqqiyati Bank Limited, is one of the example which is running in Pakistan to promote the agricultural area of the Pakistan. As you know, Pakistan is agricultural country, so it provides loan to the farmers, to the agricultural areas, for buying machinery, for erection of tube well, for buying pesticides, for buying seeds, and these type of the things. Then we have industrial area which give the banks which promote industrial area, which give loan to the industries like companies, factories, business, traders, etc. There are 4 types of the industries. Let's discuss these types: exploratory, genetic, manufacturing, and services. Exploratory means which explore anything, which explore the minerals, mines, minerals. Exploratory, which explore the minerals like petrol, like gold, like coal, like salt, and these type of the things. They are known as exploratory industries. Then genetic industry means which deals with the living things. Living things means poultry, plants, and other these type of the things. These are all under the umbrella of genetic industries. Living things, poultry farm, plants, nursery, and these type of the things. As you are familiar with the IBEX, IBEX is basically the combination a combination of Markhor, these type of the things under the genetic industry. Then manufacturing which manufacture anything which takes raw material and convert into the finished goods. These all are manufacturing industries, such as shoes, the textile, and the other things. Services like education, like hospitals, like lawyers, these type of the sectors are known as services industries. So now the third one is investment banks. Investment banks are the banks which provides you opportunity to invest in the debt and in equity. Provides you opportunity that you can invest in debt or equity. Debt means debentures of which are issued by any company. That means the bonds which are issued by any government. That means the treasury bills, the securities, and these type of the things which are issued by the government to get loan from the general public. So it will invest, these banks will invest your money in the debt like debentures, bond, T-bills, securities, stuff like that. And it will also invest your money in the equity market. Equity market means shares. It can buy share and it will get profit and it will give you profit. What the bank do is they take deposits, they take money from you and they invest in debt market and in equity market as well. They have their own working style, they know where they have to invest, and after getting invest your money they will get profit and they will give you profit and they will take their commission. Now the commercial banks are very common, and mostly the commercial banks do all these functions. They promote agricultural area, industrial area, investment. Commercial banks are the banks which takes deposits and which gives loan to the needy persons, to the businessmen, to the households, to the traders, to the companies. As we know, NBP, MCB, HBL, these are all the types of the commercial banks which takes deposit from general public and give to the loan to the needy persons and to the needy firms. These are known as commercial banks. Then the last one is construction banks. The construction banks are the banks which provide loans to the person who is going to construct his house. It provide house loans, loan for construction of houses like housing, building finance corporation is the bank which provide loan when you are constructing your home. So specifically it will only provide loan to the to persons who are constructing their homes. So these were the types of the banks which we discussed. We discussed the definition of the bank and the types of the bank, and I hope that you would better able to understand these concepts and these types of the banks now. Thank you so much. Take care.